all matter in the universe is made up of atoms. These atoms are made up of protons, neutrons, and electrons. If we had a metal sheet, we could shine a light on the metallic atoms to zap the electrons off of them. This is the photoelectric effect. To do this, we have to make the light stronger than the binding energy that attracts the protons and electrons together. So how do we increase the energy of the light? Light often acts like a wave. So by making the light brighter, aka increasing its amplitude, we'd expect an increase in energy. But that's not what happens. Instead, we found that by changing the light's frequency, aka color, we could actually increase the light's energy to zap off the electrons. But that leaves just one problem. Light couldn't just be a wave then. It had to also be a particle. This is a photon, a particle of light that strikes the electrons. Why is this important? Well, electricity is the movement of electrons. We can use light to zap electrons, make them move, and make electricity. Solar panels! Also, our experiments with the photoelectric effect let us discover that not just light, but all things in the universe can act as a wave and a particle, a concept known as wave-particle duality, which started the entire field of quantum mechanics. And that's the cool thing about science. Even if we can't see it all happening, digging deeper into our everyday lives can spark the creation of new innovations and shine a light on new discoveries. Thanks for watching.